Going electric comes with some undeniable perks, but there are also a few things you'll want to be aware of before making the switch. Unlike standard gas cars, you don't have to wait for the engine to rev up to produce its power. EVs have instantaneous torque. You'll enjoy a more comfortable drive because EVs are very quiet and tend to have less vibration. Some models allow you to pair the vehicle to your smartphone, so you no longer have to worry about keys. Many EVs even have proximity keys that unlock the car and wake up all of the systems as you approach, so that you're ready to go when you get in. There's no engine to start. Another perk: some regions offer carpool lane access to zero-emissions cars on busy stretches of road, whether or not you have passengers. And many places are now offering preferred parking for EVs. While there are plenty of perks to making the switch to electric, here are a few things to be aware of. Depending on multiple factors, an EV can lose some range during cold weather. All vehicles lose range in cold weather, no matter what powers them. But you'll notice the difference more in an EV. The cost of charging an EV can vary quite a bit based on where you charge, especially in public places. Charging at home, work, or during off-peak hours will save you the most money. Because electric batteries are heavy, it takes more energy to move the car. More weight can lead to more wear and tear on the suspension and the tires. EV batteries might slowly degrade and lose how much energy they can store over time, though most modern EV batteries can last more than 10 years with minimal degradation. Considering the perks and potential drawbacks should help inform your decision about going electric. It's likely the benefits will make you never want to go back to gasoline. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get recommendations for other useful content on GreenCars and how they can work best for you.